Top 5 Best Metal Detectors. Best Metal Detectors for Hunting Treasure. The 5 Best Metal Detectors. Whether you simply want an interesting hobby that could make you a bit of cash on the side, or you're a hardcore treasure hunter looking for some serious equipment, you'll find the right metal detector for your needs from among our comprehensive selection. Our picks include models suitable for most environments, from deep water diving to terrestrial beach combing, field hunting, and more. When users buy our independently chosen editorial picks, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Number 1 White Spectra VHP.
We build them for you. Your adventure, your story, your connection to the past. This is what drives us. It has since 1950. Over the years, we've found our treasure, our customers. So get out there and find yours.
Number 2 Bounty Hunter Land Ranger Pro. Crazy Sale. Number 3 Minelab CTX 3030 Waterproof. Number 4 Bounty Hunter Tracker TK4. Detector for adults. 5. Crazy Sale.
Are you ready for metal detecting? And this is the Jungler 1031 metal detector from Howls Wolke. Simple yet powerful. It can definitely satisfy your growing desire to explore until you find the gold that really belongs to you. The brand new user interface redesigned for every beginner. You will notice the brand new themes, tab designs, menu items, and backlit LCD, 50% larger than others. Everything is to help you get started better. The all-terrain metal detector features a 10-inch waterproof coil and built-in ground balancing technology. Means you can take it anywhere, forest, park, or beach. IP68 waterproof is perfect for shallow water. Excellent depth and accuracy of detection at all times. With powerful 5 modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, pinpoint, helps you determine the type and depth of treasures hidden underground. We know it's hard to start challenging something unfamiliar, so all that's left to you is to go.